hooray for Julian 3 times. Are you ready? Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Julian is 3 years old. You ready to light your candles? Okay, hold on, Mr. I'm going to bring it to you. I'll take, oh, don't sit. I'll take the earth. Thank you. You ready to make a big blow? I'm not going to put it too close to your face, okay? Okay, ready? One more time. Okay, let's all help him blow. 1, 2, 3. Blow! Yay! Congratulations, Julian. Welcome to the 3-year-old club. You can go give Mom and Dad and James a big hug. We gotta go after ceremony's over, okay?
You go here. This